Welcome, food enthusiasts. In today's video, we are diving into the world of finger millet, also known as Ragi. Let's explore its origins, discover its incredible nutritional value, learn how to incorporate it into mouth-watering dishes, and even get insights into its cultivation techniques. Let's get started. Let us understand the origin and appearance of finger millet. Finger millet, scientifically known as Eleusine coracana, also known as Ragi in India, Kodo in Nepal, and Kurakan in Sri Lanka, is an annual herbaceous plant widely grown as a cereal crop in the arid and semi-arid areas in Africa and Asia. It is a tetraploid and self-pollinating species probably evolved from its wild relative Eleusine africana. Finger millet is native to the Ethiopian and Ugandan highlands of African continent. Interesting crop characteristics of finger millet are the ability to withstand cultivation at altitudes over 2000 meters, 6600 feet above sea level, its high drought tolerance, and the long storage time of the grains. History of finger millets. Finger millet originated in East Africa, Ethiopian and Ugandan highlands. It was claimed to have been found in an Indian archaeological site dated to 1800 BCE, late Bronze Age. However, this was subsequently demonstrated to be incorrectly identified cleaned grains of hulled millets. The oldest record of finger millet comes from an archaeological site in Africa dating to the 8th century AD. Cultivation of finger millet in Africa was declining rapidly because of the large amount of labor it required, with farmers preferring to grow nutritionally inferior but less labor-intensive crops such as maize, sorghum, and cassava. Such a decline was not seen in Asia. Growing and cultivation techniques. For those intrigued by finger millet's cultivation, you are in for a treat. It's a hardy crop that requires minimal water and can thrive in challenging conditions. Its ability to withstand drought makes it a valuable resource for food security. Main cultivation areas are parts of eastern and southern Africa, particularly Uganda, Kenya, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi, and Tanzania, and parts of India and Nepal. It is also grown in southern Sudan and, as far south, in Africa as Mozambique. Finger millet monocrops grown under rain-fed conditions are most common in drier areas of eastern Africa. In addition, intercropping with legumes, such as cowpea or pigeon pea, are also quite common in East Africa. Tropical Central Africa supports scattered regions of finger millet intercropping mostly with legumes, but also with cassava, plantain, and vegetables. Nutritional content. Finger millet is rich in niacin, which plays an important role in more than 400 enzyme reactions. Niacin is important to maintaining the health of your skin, blood, and organs. Niacin is frequently added to foods as a supplement because it is such an important micronutrient. Finger millet is also an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin B, niacin, calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, antioxidants. Health benefits of finger millet. The vitamins, minerals, and fiber found in finger millet can provide important health benefits. The potassium found in finger millet can help keep your kidneys and heart functioning properly. Potassium also helps your nerves transmit signals, which allows your brain and your muscles to work together smoothly. Finger millet is also an excellent source of B vitamins, which play a role in everything from brain function to healthy cell division. B vitamins are even connected to a reduction in fatigue. In addition, finger millet can provide other health benefits like heart health. Whole grains like finger millet are connected to lower risk of heart disease. Finger millet is full of dietary fiber, which helps to control the bad cholesterol that can contribute to heart diseases like atherosclerosis. Soluble fiber absorbs cholesterol before it enters your bloodstream, maintaining a lower cholesterol level without medication. Millet has also been shown to raise good cholesterol levels and lower triglycerides, which are a kind of fat found in your blood. Cholesterol levels are one of the biggest risk factors for heart disease, so eating millet regularly may help keep your heart healthier. Diabetes control. Finger millet has a low glycemic index. That means that it has lower levels of simple sugars and higher levels of complex carbohydrates, which take a longer time to digest. Foods with a low glycemic index can help prevent your blood glucose level from spiking after a meal. As a result, eating millet, instead of high glycemic index foods like white wheat flour, can help people living with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. Digestive health. The fiber in finger millet can also help support your digestive health. Insoluble dietary fiber is prebiotic, meaning it helps support the good bacteria in your gut. Eating prebiotics like the fiber in millet can support gut health by keeping your digestive flora healthy. Eating enough fiber has also been linked to a decreased risk of colon cancer. Nutrients per serving. A quarter cup serving of dry millet contains calories, 189, protein, 6 grams, fat, 2 grams, carbohydrates, 36 grams, fiber, 4 grams, sugar, less than 1 gram. Portion sizes. Like most grains, millet is relatively calorie-rich. Eating millet in moderation can help you to maintain a healthy weight. 1 cup of cooked millet is considered 1 serving. When cooking millet, pay attention to how much you use to understand how many calories you will be consuming. Culinary uses and recipes. Finger millet's versatility in the kitchen is noteworthy. It can be used to create a wide range of delicious dishes. From wholesome finger millet porridge to crispy instant dosas. Roti. Mudde, ragi balls. Ragi soup in summer. Ragi cake. Ragi idli. Ragi laddu. And even delectable cookies. Finger millet vada. Choco chips, bread, and the possibilities are endless. Use ground finger millet instead of wheat flour in pancakes. Use millet instead of rice in stuffed peppers. Make millet bread. Use millet instead of bread in stuffing. Use puffed millet to make marshmallow squares. Try millet pilaf. In conclusion, finger millet is a treasure trove of nutrition, offering health benefits that extend far beyond its humble appearance. From its rich nutrient profile to its culinary versatility and sustainable cultivation practices, finger millet is a true champion of wholesome living. Thank you for joining us on this finger millet journey. If you're seeking nutritious and flavorful alternatives in your diet, consider adding finger millet to your table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting culinary explorations. Until next time, happy cooking!